So here we are, St. Louis, Missouri. This is Terminal 2 where Southwest is. And tonight I'm going to St. Louis, Missouri. I got to check my bag down here because I have plenty of time. And then I'm going to try to see, I said in my previous video coming here that the airport, these Terminal 2 and Terminal 1 do connect if you want to walk. But I was told tonight by my brother it doesn't exist anymore. So I'm going to go check that out. But there is nobody here and I'm going to check my bag. So be back. No, this main checkpoint, not TSA Pre at all anymore. You got to go to this one. Just learned that the hard, and just like that through security. The beauties of traveling Tuesday night at 7 o'clock. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go all the way down here to the left, and I am pretty certain. I mean, I thought you could go all the way down here to the left and get back to Terminal 1. But my brother, when he was taking me here tonight, said that you couldn't do that. So this is my challenge, just to go and see if this is possible. Because a long time ago, it was possible. And, yeah, it'd be cool if it was still possible. But we'll see. Kind of curious how they do the Lufthansa flights, because those are all international, and like, where is the extra the global entry aspect of coming into America? Where did they do that here? But you can nominate an airport employee there. Interesting. Not sure I'll be doing that, but everybody's been friendly so far tonight. Maybe you can't, because look, it says terminal shuttle located at exit 12, lower level of Terminal 2. So, I could be really wrong here, which is, nothing is saying Terminal 1 so far. So, yeah, it looks like their international flight here for Lufthansa is St. Louis to Frankfurt. They might have more, but wingtips. This is, yeah, see that right there? It says STL Frankfurt, June 1st, 2022. I'm just gonna go down on this as far as I can and see where it takes me. This is still Southwest gates. I'm guessing the further I go, probably will be Lufthansa.
Fall back, we got it. You're missing your shirt.
I'm not missing my shirt, I can tell you that.
A final boarding call for flight 754, the service to Cleveland, here at E20 with Charlie Williams and Joshua
E34, so there's 6 more gates up there.
And Joshua Ladina, please make your way down to E20 for your flight to Cleveland.
My flight doesn't board for roughly 30 minutes, so I can do stupid stuff like this and waste my time. Get a little steps in, workout I would call it, maybe. Wow, there's even a, let's see if this works. Yeah, it does. See, the thing is to go between Terminal 2 and Terminal 1, it's a pretty good distance. There's like some sort of artwork stuff. I don't know what that is. It's definitely art. So to walk this, it's a good little distance. I mean, if this doesn't connect, I mean, it's got to be so close to being connecting that it's crazy that it doesn't connect at this point. This is all Southwest down here.
The moving walkway is ending.
Little, I don't know what's going on there. Still haven't seen a Lufthansa gate. I see the end. It definitely doesn't connect. We're gonna go down there though. If this thing's working, we're gonna go down. Oh, that's not on. Oh, that's tragic. Look, they could connect these. Huh. So look. I'm gonna go to the bathroom there in a minute or two, but look, this is where it could connect. And they purposely shut it down. So my brother was right. This is the chapel, if you ever want to go to the chapel. And look, this is it. That's all you can do. If you could go there, right there, that'd be Terminal 1. But they shut it down. You have to go. You'd have to take a shuttle to get over there. Crazy. Okay, well, we figured it out. Okay, so this is where I would have come out. If, you know, right from security to say, is if I turned right, this is it. This is my gate right there. It's E18. I'm just going to walk up all the way to the other side of this terminal to show you how far it goes the other way. There's a Burger King here and a Dunkin' Donuts, Baskin Robbins, which actually sounds pretty good because I love ice cream. But I really don't like Baskin Robbins ice cream, I'll be honest. And there have tons of signs up about nominating an airport employee. I don't know how you nominate. Like, nobody has names up or anything. Here's some Disney candy. They call this the retail court. Auntie Anne's always smells really good. I never eat those things, but soft pretzels, pretty yummy. The other thing you always see at the St. Louis airport you don't see anywhere else is the Ted Drewes frozen custard kiosk. I showed this in the last video I made going St. Louis to Denver this summer, a couple of months ago. It's a little machine. It grabs your custard. But there's some St. Louis eateries up here. Schlaffy. I always say it wrong. Schlaffy beer. It's up here. And then there's also the Post House, which is also a St. Louis restaurant. So let's say show all the way up to E4. It's the end of the line here. You can see it back there in the distance. That's basically the whole thing. There we go. Let's go around. Oh, so it's like a 2-in-1 combo there. You can get Pasta House with Schlaffy. I have the thing I can't pronounce. But here, we'll go up here to show you what's at the end of the line here. Bunch of nothing. Storage, or the things they use to move bags around. Yeah. Fun stuff. Now we walk back to E18. That's our plan.
Yeah, go ahead. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
There we go. Denver. Hey, Mason, hey, Cam. is right there. I am going to, sure, I'll take it. I'm literally sitting right where, at the very first spot you can get the front. So you can't even see the engine, can't even see the wings, really. Yeah. So we'll see what we get on the flight.
All right, everyone. We can have your attention for just a few moments. We're going to go ahead and point out the safety features of this Boeing 737. Is it a Maxine?
Yeah, no.
Nope, it's an 800. All right, you guys. There's a safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. You can take it out and follow along. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat tip into the buckle. Pull on the loose end to tighten the belt. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the rear. There are signs overhead and lights on the floor that lead to exits. In the event of an emergency evacuation, we want you to follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, we want you to use the life vest that's under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Take the vest out of the pouch, place it over your head, wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest or to manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. There is a light on the vest that comes on automatically once you're in the water, and there are instructions on the safety information card that will show you how to put a life vest on an infant. Additional life vests will be distributed by a flight attendant if necessary. We're coming by to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position, and all of your carry-on items are safely stored completely underneath the seat that is in front of you, leaving all of the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not permitted on board this aircraft, including in the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on smoking and seatbelts. There is also a federal law that prohibits passengers from consuming their own alcohol on board, and you may not charge your e-cigarettes while you're on board this aircraft. Although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. If you're wearing a face covering, remove it and place this mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. You can adjust the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you're traveling with children or someone who needs extra assistance, please be sure to put your mask on first before giving them the assistance they require. You're going to continue using this mask until otherwise informed by a uniformed crew member. We're here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. That's it, you guys. That's all the do's and don'ts. We're going to be adjusting the cabin lights here for takeoff. You do have a personal reading lamp just above your head. 1 hour and 45 minutes, and we'll be back in Denver again. Welcome aboard.
turn the cabin lights down.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have been cleared for departure. larger electronic devices such as laptop computers. Just as long as you can reach aircraft, one of them's working. Maybe two. Two? Oh, okay, yeah. One of them's working, but the rug is weird. You know how it is. Yeah, don't fall down. All of that. But both of those restrooms are in the back. I told y'all. The one in the front is not working, and it's not the rug. Hint, hint. So, yep, head to the back if you need to go to the bathroom, but please make sure you wait for the seatbelt sign to go off first. We do have an hour and 45 minutes in flight here. You're going to see the flight attendants in the aisle here in just a few moments to begin our beverage and snack service. Take this time to take a look at that menu in your seat back pocket. Get familiar with what we have. If you're planning to purchase an adult beverage, would you please have your form of purchase ready to go when we take your order? Once again, we accept valid Southwest coupon or debit credit card. I want to thank you guys for flying with us. Sit back, relax. We're on our way. Welcome aboard. Southwest Airlines and your Las Vegas based crew, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Denver. Please remain seated, leaving your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your personal items safely and appropriately stowed until the captain is parked at the gate and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once it's safe for you to stand up, please use caution opening those overhead bins, as items do tend to shift during flight, and they could fall out and injure you or someone standing near you. It's now safe to use your cell phone or other portable electronic devices out of airplane mode. However, your laptop computers may not be used at this time and they must remain stowed. This is the conclusion of this flight number. Everyone is getting off here in Denver. Before you leave the aircraft tonight, be sure you check around your seat area, the floor, the overhead bin space, and the seat back pocket to be sure you have all the articles you brought on board, because once you get off the airplane, you will not be permitted to come back on board to retrieve any lost items. We're going to have ground servicing here in Denver. Our service doors will be open. If you're in charge of someone's safety, would you be sure they stay away from the open service doors? We know you have many choices when you fly. We want to thank you so much for choosing and trusting Southwest Airlines. Have a great stay here in Denver or wherever your final destination might be, and good night.
Second person off the plane. Low lighting in here. I'm guessing it's this way. Yeah, it's definitely this way. So weird, that girl, she started going slow, and then as soon as I start to go around her, she starts to speed back up. Whatever. Flight to Spokane looks busy. Our flight to Denver here had a ton of open seats. So the two seats right by me were totally closed, so that was exciting. What I didn't like about that flight was that they left all those lights on when we were landing, so you couldn't get a good shot because all the reflection from the light. So it kind of sucks. You just do the best you can. Down here and then get on the train. So they're still doing a lot of work on these things, so even though the other one's working, they won't let us go down on it. This one is definitely shut down. We're gonna make this train. It's got 10 seconds. This is the front right here. If I would have paid attention on my flight, I'm sure they told us what gate or what baggage claim they were going to show up at, but I was listening to or watching a movie, so I didn't hear it. Or was I listening to music? I forget at that point. So I'm going to look this up and I'll go to... This is really interesting. I've never seen this security checkpoint, and it's like right here by the main terminal. It's, I guess they're starting to work on this or something. It's a good word. I'm going to baggage claim 3 is what I'm looking for, so it's on this one.
Again, we appreciate your
I'm gonna go over there. Okay, so I got my luggage. I am going to get my ride. It says Island 5, Zone I or something. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. St. Louis is where I grew up. Learned that, you know, but back in the day, you used to be able to go from Terminal 1 to 2. And obviously you can't do that anymore. Big things you learned in this video. And also Southwest doesn't like to dim their lights all the time, so that kind of not the best, trying to get video at night. But I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate all the people that leave comments or have questions. Feel free to leave any questions you have or comments in the comments section, and I'll be sure to get back to you whenever I have the time. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's not. And yeah, I really do appreciate everybody watching the videos. And if you do like this content, be sure to hit like and subscribe to see more content like it in the future. As always, take flight. I'm literally walking where you're not supposed to be walking. It's funny that my Uber is all the way in I. I don't know why they never put you close to the zone you choose yourself. You know, it pops up. It only gave me 2 options, H or I. Yeah. This is the beauty of using apps to control your life.